Guys, we are at the ICF new build. We've made a significant amount of progress. It's been a while, but we are back, and let me show you what we got going on here. So there are a lot of updates with this house since last time I showed you. I'm just gonna show you everything that we've done so far and walk you through where we're at. Walking in, obviously, the biggest change is the roof is on and it is weathered in. This is the living room, the kitchen, right here. We got all the plumbing done. We'll touch on that here soon. This is bedroom 1. This right here is the pantry, out right off the kitchen. Entryway. Here are the bedrooms as we walk down the hallway. We have the laundry room. Inspection is this morning, so got that pressurized. And then this is hall bath here at the end. I think I've walked you guys through this already. So I'm gonna highlight a few things in regards to plumbing on an ICF house. So what we got here are the frost-free hose bibs. When you put them through the ICF wall, it needs to either go into a cavity or a wall. In this situation, it's gonna go underneath the sink. And in this situation, it's going into a wall. So right here, this is what we call service loop. In the event we need to pull that faucet out and service it, all they have to do is unscrew from the outside, and then as they pull it, they can service it and then push it back in. That way there's no cutting into the walls or having to disconnect it or whatever. Another cool part of this build, and something that I talked to the client about and we decided to go forward with, is this 6-foot tub. Super cool. I sat down on it, my feet don't even get to the drain. Definitely something to consider when you're building your house because it's just big. It's awesome, it's cool. Even though maybe not everybody is tall, it's just a spacious tub. For being a tub, for being just an insert tub, it's the way to go. Something to consider. As you guys may be able to notice, there's one aspect to building that I'm very on top of, and I think that's really important, that's a little underrated, and it's job site cleanliness. On Wednesday, I had a crew come in here and just clean the whole thing after the framing was done and the plumbing was done. Knowing that clients will be on the job site either every day or every week or whatever, they're going to be here. It's also nice because it keeps trades responsible and accountable for the messes that they create. So if they walk into a clean space, they'll likely clean up after themselves. If it's dirty, they walk in here, they're gonna be like, I made a mess, no big deal, because you can hardly tell. Having that cleaned up and creating a nice clean space for the next trade, and furthermore, and most importantly, the client, I think it goes a long ways and it's a big deal. That's at least how I build, and that's how I think building should be done. So next up on the agenda, getting HVAC in, and then that same week we'll start on electrical rough-in, which will be setting boxes for switches and outlets. Take about a week to 2 weeks to get that started and finished. After the penetrations are done with the roof, we'll get the whole roof shingled and completely sealed in. But currently we couldn't put the roof on because we are still gonna add some penetrations with the HVAC. If you have any questions, curious about something I have not covered yet, please comment and let me know. I will try to cover it in a following video or make a short for you to explain something specific. The point of the videos are to show you guys what it's like to build ICF and if it's something that you guys are interested in and wanna do yourself. Definitely ask questions. Let me know if there's anything I can cover. And I'll see you guys in the next one.